Dear friends, today we will understand our important topic, that is Jacobian class by Maximilian Robespierre. Now, see here, before going to understand the third lecture of the lesson of French Revolution, let's first 2 minutes I will take a review. We are going to understand the lesson of French Revolution. We understood the meaning of revolution, the revolt against a king. So this was the revolt by the people, by different people of France society. So we saw what was the condition of France earlier in 18th century. We saw that the France society was divided among three categories, that is first state, second state and third state. We also saw that the Louis XVI was very lazy king. He was not having proper management to run his country. Because what was happening? The population of the country was increasing, but the collection of taxes was not increasing. Means we saw that first state, that is clergy, second state, that is nobility. These two groups were not paying taxes to the legislature because by the birth, first state and second state were getting freedom to pay the taxes, and only the burden of paying taxes was on the third state. We also saw that third state was including with big merchant, businessmen, lawyers, laborers, and servants. So these people only have to pay the taxes, and first state and second state was not given. So what came in the society? Inequality. Anger came in the mind of third state that why only we have to pay the taxes to the least 16? Because whenever in the society there is inequality, जब इस सोसाइटी में असमानता होती है, एक को फ्रीडम मिलता है दूसरे को नहीं मिलता है, जैसे एग्जांपल क्लास, सपोज गर्ल्स आर देयर, बॉयज आर देयर, इफ ऑलवेज अ पर्टिकुलर टीचर विल गिव द वैल्यू टू द गर्ल्स ओनली, or particular to a people in the class and not for others, so what will happen? Anger came in the mind of students that there is only favoring for particular boy, or there is only favoring for particular girl. So the anger is coming. That's why what is the duty of a king? What is the duty of government? What is the duty of a teacher? To bring the equality in the class. What is the duty of a king? To bring the equality in the society. But Louis XVI was forgetting this measure. That's why we saw in earlier lecture that the middle classes started envisioning for not to pay the taxes. Means the middle classes of third grade started thinking, why don't we have to pay the taxes? And they had voice against the Louis XVI. So we saw that the third grade people came walk out from the meeting and they decided not to listen to the Louis XVI. So in this way, because of the improper of the Louis XVI, in a Spanish society in the 18th century, various people, various groups came together against Louis XVI and they had a revolt. And this was the impact that in 1789, the French Revolution occurred in France, in which Louis XVI lost his power, and in France there came a democracy, there came a republic. Now various reasons we are going to understand. Means we are understanding which were the groups that raised the voice against Louis XVI. So today in our third lecture of the lesson of French Revolution, we are going to cover the topic Jacobean Clause by Maximilian Robespierre. So I will write some points. Before going to write some points, just to understand Jacobean Clause by Maximilian Robespierre. So this was one clause which was started by Maximilian Robespierre. Question can come: who was Maximilian Robespierre? So you can decide answer. Maximilian Robespierre was the leader of Jacobean Clause. So what was the work of Jacobean Clause? Why Maximilian Robespierre started this club? That we are going to understand. And how this Jacobean Clause bring a development, bring a change in a society, that we are going to understand. So first, I will write some points, then one by one I will explain the points. First point we can understand. various clubs sprang up in France to discuss government policies and plan their actions. First you write the point, then you will understand one by one. Second point, Jacobin club was more popularity. Third point you will understand Maximilian Robespierre lead this group. Then fourth point, the member of Jacobin club were less prosperous Jacobin club were the less prosperous people of society. Next point you will understand. Fifth point, an insurrection was planned by Jacobin. Next point you will understand. Six, King Palace was stormed and soldiers were killed. By Jacobin king was held hostage. Now these are the some points. First I will explain you this point. Then again different points I will explain. Okay. So first we are going to look at Jacobin club by Maximilian Robespierre. Means what was the Jacobin club? Why he established this club and what type of work is done by Jacobin Maximilian Robespierre. ये क्लब की आपको पता है क्लब क्या होता है? जैसे लायंस क्लब is there in India. So Lions Club is doing the various social activities related to society. So different clubs are established by various groups in society to bring a development. So Jacobin was one of that club by Maximilian Robespierre. So first, various clubs sprang up in France to discuss government policies and plan their actions. So we saw the condition of France. हमने फ्रांस का कंडीशन अर्लियर टॉपिक में देखा था कि सोसाइटी के जो थर्ड स्टेज था जिसमें लॉयर लोग थे, बिजनेसमैन थे, सर्वेंट थे, लेबर थे, वो परेशान हो गए थे बिकॉज द प्रोडक्शन वाज बेस्ड ऑन द फार्मिंग, द फैसिलिटी गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट वाज वेरी लेस, स्टिल they have to pay the taxes to the Louis XVI. And this was injustice. Means one group of society, that is the clergy and nobility, they were not paying the taxes to the Louis XVI, and only 12 have to pay. That's why there was an anger in the mind of the state. So that's why various clubs started to raise the voice against the Louis XVI. ऐसे अलग अलग क्लब निकलने लगे सोसाइटी में, ताकि गवर्नमेंट जो भी पॉलिसी निकालती थी उसके बारे में चर्चा करते थे, पॉलिसी गुड और बैड, और वो खराब होती थी तो उसके खिलाफ वो क्लब को लोग बोलने लगे। तो वेरियस क्लब क्लाइम ऑफ इन फ्रांस विद द गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड प्लान देयर एक्शन। इस प्रकार से गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी के ऊपर चर्चा होने लगी थी, बिकॉज ऑफ द एजुकेशन, बिकॉज ऑफ द मिडिल क्लास एजुकेटेड पीपल, नाउ थर्ड स्टेट स्टार्टेड मूविंग अदर। अब वो जुल्म को सहन नहीं करते थे, पहले जुल्म सहा जाता था, अब बिकॉज ऑफ द मिडिल क्लास ऑफ लॉयर एंड कोर्ट ऑफिसर और अलग अलग जो भी ज्ञानी लोग थे उनके कारण अब फ्रांस में पुलिस के खिलाफ आवाजें उठने लगी। सेकंड पॉइंट, जैकोबियन क्लब गॉट मोर पॉपुलैरिटी। तो मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबिस्पियर ने जो क्लब तैयार किया था उसको फ्रांस की सोसाइटी में एक ज्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी, लोगों की मान्यता मिल रही, बिकॉज मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबिस्पियर started to give the justice to the third stage. This group was started in the king. Now all have to pay the taxes, or all should not pay the taxes. This why only first and second stage will from paying taxes, and only third stage have to pay the taxes. So this was the business started doing. Third point, Maximilian Robespierre lead this group. So Jacobin was lead by Maximilian Robespierre. The members of Jacobin club were the less prosperous people of society. तो ये जैकोबियन क्लब के जो भी सदस्य थे वो सोसाइटी के लेस प्रॉस्परस ग्रुप थे, मतलब गरीब लोग थे। अब क्वेश्चन क्या था, हु वर द लेस प्रॉस्परस ग्रुप ऑफ सोसाइटी? तो उसमें हम देख सकते हैं शूमेकर, जूते चप्पल बनाने वाले लोग, देन वॉचमेकर, घड़ियाल बनाने वाले लोग, वॉचमेकर, देन पेस्ट्री मेकर, सर्वेंट एंड लेबर। तो ऐसे गरीब लोग इस जैकोबियन क्लब के मेंबर बने। नेक्स्ट, and insurrections were planned by Jacobians. Now a new word to God. What is the word? Insurrection. Underline it and write the meaning of insurrection का मतलब क्या होता है? We can write here the meaning of insurrection. You can write revolt against government. एक नया वर्ड आपको यहां मिला है, व्हाट इज दैट न्यू वर्ड? इंसरेक्शन। इंसरेक्शन, एंड इंसरेक्शन वाज प्लान्ड बाय जैकोबियन, मतलब अ रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट गवर्नमेंट। मतलब ये जैकोबियन क्लब के मेंबरों ने राजा के खिलाफ गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ क्या किया? रिवोल्ट किया। रिवोल्ट कौन? आंदोलन करना कि नाउ वी विल नॉट लिसन योर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, वी आर इंडिपेंडेंट टू टेक आवर डिसीजन। So the meaning of insurrection is armed revolt. We can say armed revolt. Armed revolt. We can say armed revolt. Armed revolt against government. मतलब गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ शस्त्र लेके, डिफेंस लेके विरोध करना। तो insurrection का प्लान है जैकोबियन, armed revolt against government. King palace was stormed and soldiers were killed by Jacobians. So because of this insurrection, because of the rebels taking the hands of its members, तो ये लोगों ने क्या, राजा के महल के ऊपर आक्रमण किया, राजा के सोल्जर को मार गिराया, and king was held hostage. और राजा को क्या किया उन्होंने? राजा को उन्होंने बंदी बनाया। They made him as a hostage. राजा को बंधक बनाया। So these were the 6 points. Now forward with and right upper side. So I will run this some points. Up to now, 6 points we discussed on this topic. Now, point number 7. Point number 7 will be discussed. Keyboard है the first page. Assembly voted to imprison the royal family. Royal family. Next point we will understand, that is point number 7. Elections were held in France those who will have the age more than 21 are got chance to vote. Chance to vote. Next point we will write point number 8. Only men are allowed to vote. And last point we will understand, that is point number 9. Point number 9 we will see. Later on, king and queen were executed. Now see. So these are the 4 points that we will discuss. Point number 6, first we will understand. Assembly voted to imprison the royal family. So what happened? The assembly made by the Jacobean club decided at a voting that royal family will be the guilty for injustice in a France society. The Jacobean club ने जो assembly तैयार की थी, उसने ये डिसाइड किया कि अब राजा की जो रॉयल फैमिली है उनको जेल में भेजना होगा. नेक्स्ट, इलेक्शन वेयर इन फ्रांस, those who will have the age more than 21 are called chance to vote. Now, ये असेंबली किया, इलेक्शन की प्रोसेस को तैयार किया, पहले गुणांशक वालों का उसको हटाया और the people who will have more than 21 years age, 21 साल के ऊपर के only men were allowed to give the voting rights. Means here only men are allowed to vote. सिर्फ 21 साल के ऊपर के लोगों को ही वोटिंग का अधिकार दिया था, not to the women. So see students, the condition of women from ancient times is very dangerous. Means women were not having education rights, women were not having voting rights. So because of this injustice, there was a struggle of women for voting rights, and it is only in 1946 that women got voting rights. So the struggle for voting is too much for women throughout the world. Only men are allowed to vote. Later on, king and queen were executed by the assembly of Jacobean club, which decided that the king and queen are guilty, so they have to be executed. What is the meaning of executed? Executed मतलब होता है फांसी पर चढ़ा देना, उनको फांसी दी गई. So this was about the topic Jacobean club by Maximilian Robespierre. I hope you understood this all 9 points. So this may be the answer of one question. Write a shortcut from Jacobean club by Maximilian Robespierre. Or the question can come, what was the working type of Jacobean club? Or work was done by the club Jacobian by the Robespierre Maximilian. So this is the answer of 5 mark question. Or we can say this is the answer of 3 mark question. So hope we understood this topic. Okay. Now dear students, we are moving toward our next topic, and that is reign of terror. This is our second topic of today's lecture. Our next topic is reign of terror. Reign of terror. Now see, students, before going to understand, we should understand what is the meaning of reign of terror. Now the meaning of reign, we can say reign means a government, और you can say reign means a period. ऐसा एक समय या ऐसी सरकार जब क्या था, terror था. What is the meaning of terror? Terror का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? Terror means you can say fear. Terror means fear, and reign means a government or a period. मतलब ऐसा समय या ऐसी सरकार जब क्या था, there was a terror. Terror means fear, डर. Means ऐसा समय या ऐसी सरकार जब लोगों के मन में डर था, और वो डर क्या था? That we are going to understand. First we will write some point, then going forward we will understand what is mean by reign of terror. First point we can understand. Maximilian Robespierre started severe control on people and eliminated the enemies of republic. Second point we understand. This we can say first point. It is second point. Guilty people were guillotined. Now see, only these 2 points we will understand in this topic. Reign of terror, ऐसी सरकार या ऐसा समय जब लोगों के माइंड में डर था. Maximilian Robespierre started severe control on people and eliminated the enemies of liberty. What is the meaning of this point? So you know that Maximilian Robespierre was the head of the Jacobian club. He was a leader, and under his control, various members of society like shoemakers, watchmakers, labor, servants, all were members of Jacobian club. तो ये जो भी होता था, वो लोग उसको सपोर्ट करते थे. And he was trying to be soldier. So what he started, रॉबिस्पियर के खिलाफ जो भी उसके पार्टी के लोग, ये अपोजिट पार्टी के लोग जो भी उसके खिलाफ जाते थे, क्लर्जी पीपल फर्स्ट स्टेज के या नोबिलिटी पीपल सेकंड स्टेज के, अगर ये रॉबिस्पियर की बातों को नहीं मानते तो वो द सोल्जर्स ऑफ दिस जैकोबियन क्लब वेयर सर्चिंग हु इज गोइंग अगेंस्ट रॉबिस्पियर. ऐसे लोगों को ऊपर मैक्सिमम रॉबिस्पियर क्या करता था? ही वाज रनिंग द केस में कोर्ट, एक ट्रिब्यूनल कोर्ट था जहां पर द केसेस वाज गोइंग ऑन द पीपल हु वर नॉट लिसनिंग टू द मैक्सिमम रॉबिस्पियर. इफ द court is declared that this extraded person has made a guilt, अगर वो दोषी है तो ऐसे पर्सन को गिल्टाइन करते हैं. सेकंड पॉइंट इज व्हाट? गिल्टी पेपर वेर गिल्टाइन. तो वन न्यू वर्ड इज व्हाट? दैट इज गिल्टाइन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गिल्टाइन? Put to date. Put to date. The meaning of guillotine is put to date. मतलब किसी को मार देना. Guilty people were guillotined. जो भी guilty लोग थे, दोषी लोग थे, उनको guillotine करते थे, मतलब उनको मार देते थे. कौन? जैकोबियन का लीडर मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबिस्पियर. पहले हमने देखा कि those who were going against Robespierre, a case was going in a tribunal court. If the court decided that this person is guilty, then that person is guillotined by Robespierre. अभी guillotine क्या होता है? तो guillotine was one device, machine थी. Guillotine was one machine which was having two poles, one two side, and in middle one sharp blade was there. A guilty person was beheaded. उस दो पोल के बीच में उस guilty person के सर को रखते थे. And from upper side, that sharp blade was coming to on running on his head. और उससे उसका body अलग और उसका head अलग होता था. इस प्रकार का exterior harsh punishment was given by the Maximilian Robespierre to guillotine करना. So he was very dangerous person. उसका जो punishment देने का तरीका था, it was very difficult. So this was the topic. All about the topic reign of terror. So this was hope you understood this topic. So remaining parts of this lecture we will continue in next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Good morning, dear friends. Once again we will continue our next topic for this third lecture. Our next topic is reforms by Maximilian Robespierre. This is the last topic of this third lecture of French Revolution, and our topic is reforms by Maximilian Robespierre. Reforms by Maximilian Robespierre. Now, see, in earlier lecture, in earlier point, we understood reign of terror. Reign of terror means ऐसा government और ऐसी सरकार ऐसा समय when there was a fear in the minds of people of France, and that fear was by Maximilian Robespierre. Now, because of one side of Maximilian Robespierre, now in this point we are going to understand the second side of Robespierre, that reform by Maximilian Robespierre. You know that every coin has two sides, and इंसान की दो बाजुएं होती हैं. समाज में good politics as well as Christianity का bad politics also. So here some reforms are done by Maximilian Robespierre. So which were the reforms that done by Maximilian Robespierre? Here first we will write in point to point. Then one by one we will understand. Question can come. Write reform done by Maximilian Robespierre for 5 marks or 3 marks. Or a question can come. Write a short story on reform made by Maximilian Robespierre. Or how you can say that Maximilian Robespierre was a good person for society of France. So what will be the question? Answer will be that the reform made by Robespierre. The first point we will write. Maximum limit set for wages and prices. This is our first point. Second point we will understand. First write the point, then one by one we will discuss the point. Second, meat and bread were ration. Were ration. Third point we will discuss. Third point we will discuss, that is peasant should sell their granaries to the government on fixed prices. Next, we will understand 4 points. Expensive white flour. Expensive white flour was forbidden. Expensive white flour was forbidden, and instead of that, bread made out of whole wheat. Next we will understand 5 points. Point number 3. Churches were shut down. Churches were shut down and converted into barracks and offices. Next point we will write. Point number 6. His policies were too harsh to follow. So this is the last point of the lesson. The French Revolution. We are understanding that reforms that Napoleon Robespierre, मतलब जब भी ये 16 साल जो भेद था नेपोलियन रॉबिस्पियर, उसने कोई भी अच्छी योजनाएं फ्रांस सोसाइटी के लिए दी. Though he was a cruel person, by understanding the punishment system by guillotine machine, here we are understanding some reforms. So try to understand what type of question is asked. If you are reading it proper, regularly, I already told you in my many lectures that for a social science lesson, you should have 3 times reading. One lesson should be read by you in 3 times. Then similarly, you have to write the answer of the question given by the teacher. You have to maintain a proper notebook. You should not teach the teacher. But I am observing some students are maintaining the notebook properly whole year, and some students just using it. So please don't do laziness for writing the answer. If you write more and more, your handwriting will be good more and more. If you will do the lazy work more and more, you will get lazy marks at the end of the year. So please have a proper work. So first point we will understand maximum limit set for wages and prices. Means what he means? He started to give the proper prices for the granaries of the farmer. If farmers will take a granaries in the market, then the farmers will be more than prices. Again, a labor or a servant those who will do the work, they should get good wages. If the labor will get, if the people will get good wages, so the standard of the living can be increased. अगर काम करने के बाद हमको अगर वेजेस या सैलरी कम मिलता है तो वर्कर विल हैव अ लोअर लाइफस्टाइल. तो मैक्सिमम प्रोड्यूसर started to improve the lifestyle of a worker by increasing the good wages and giving a good prices to the residents of the farmers. Second, meat and bread were rationed. Meat मतलब मांस, मांस और bread. It started rations from the shop. Ration shop, you know, now in India also, poor people are getting wheat and rice from the ration shop in a very low cost. So in the same way, गरीब लोगों को मांस और ब्रेड प्रोविंशियल रेशन शॉप के जरिए देने लगा है. Third point, peasants should sell their granaries to the government on fixed prices. तो जो भी farmers थे, they have to sell their granaries to the government only for fixed prices. Means if they will sell the granaries to the other merchant, then the other merchant can give them a less prices for their granaries. इसलिए प्रोड्यूसर ने अच्छा प्राइस देकर लोगों का अनाज खरीदने लगा. नेक्स्ट, expensive was forbidden and instead of that a bread made of whole wheat. Now see, जो एक महंगा गेहूं था, पांच में जिसका दाम ज्यादा था उसको मना कर दिया और उसके बजाय एक whole wheat के जरिए ब्रेड बनाया गया और वो कंपल्सरी कर दिया कि people should purchase this type of wheat. Next point number 5. Churches were shut down and converted into the barracks and offices. हमने देखा first clergy people ने उस समय बहुत ही churches को स्थापित किया था and through the churches the clergy people were collecting the taxes. मैक्सिमम प्रोड्यूसर भी उसने वो चर्चेस को बंद कर दिया और वो चर्चेस की जो रूम थे that converted into barracks and offices. मतलब सोल्जर के रहने के लिए barracks बनाए और ऑफिसेस बनाए. Churches were stopped, converted into the barracks and offices. His politics were too harsh to follow. तो मैक्सिमम प्रोड्यूसर की जो भी पॉलिसी थी वो बहुत ही खतरनाक थी और ऐसे करने के लिए बहुत दिक्कत आती थी. वो reform the punishment system by design. So this was all about the reforms of Maximin Robespierre. Today we end our third lecture. So for 1 minute we will revise what we understand in third lecture, students. First we saw Jacobean club by Maximin Robespierre, in which we saw what was the work of Jacobean club, who established Maximin Robespierre. Who were the members of Jacobean club? Less prosperous group of society, that is lawyer, servant, laborer, this we can say shoemaker, watchmaker, they are the members. Then we saw second one we saw reign of terror. Reign of terror उसमें हमने क्या देखा? ऐसा government ऐसा समय that was having fear in the mind of people because that time what was a punishment known as design. जो भी person who was going to oppose Maximin Robespierre, a case was going to run in a court, and the person is found guilty, then he was done with design. Brutalization से इसके सर को अलग किया जाता है उससे बोली से. Reforms by Maximin Robespierre.